Today I'm going to show you how to enter and pay bills in QuickBooks Online. We'll start by recording the bill, then we'll pay it. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Click New or Create. Under the Vendor section, select Bill. This opens the bill form. Choose the vendor who sent you the bill. If the vendor is already saved, select their name. If not, add them from the same field. Next, enter the bill details. Add the bill date, which is usually the date on the vendor invoice. Then enter the due date, which is when the bill needs to be paid. Add the bill number exactly as it appears on the invoice. This helps you find the bill later and avoid duplicates. Now go to the Category Details, or Expense Details section. Choose the expense account that matches the bill, such as rent, utilities, supplies, repairs, or another category. Add a short description, then enter the bill amount. If the bill needs to be split across different categories, add more lines and enter each amount separately. If the expense is billable to a customer or project, mark it as billable and choose the correct customer or project. Before saving, review the vendor, dates, bill number, category, description, and amount. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Now let's pay the bill. Click New or Create again. Under the Vendor section, select Pay Bills. QuickBooks will show your unpaid bills. Check the box beside the bill or bills you want to pay. At the top, choose the account you're paying from using the Pay From dropdown. This could be your bank account, credit card, or another payment account. Next, enter the payment date. Use the date the money was actually sent. If there's a reference number field, enter the check number, EFT, transfer ID, or another payment reference. Now review the payment amount. If you're paying the full bill, leave the full amount selected. If you're making a partial payment, change the amount so the remaining balance stays open. Before finishing, review the selected bills, payment account, payment date, reference number, and total amount. When everything is correct, click Pay and Close. If you need to print checks, choose the check payment option instead. QuickBooks will record the bill payment, reduce your accounts payable, and update the account balance. And that's how to enter and pay bills in QuickBooks Online in 2026.